So I stuck a chain in the rocker and I tied some mule tape to either end. Big ugly chain. Now I can clean out the rocker. Just by having the chain bust up all of the rust scale inside. And then afterwards I'll line it with KBS rust seal, and then it'll be done. And all these little chunklets of rusty metal all busted loose. Since I had to do so much reflooring anyway, I decided to cut the tops of the rockers open because I can repatch those easily. But now I have access to inside the rockers. And what I can do now is with this chain, I can slide it around and bust up everything inside the rocker, make sure it's really, really clean, and then it's good to go. So this is mule tape, just tied to the ends, and then I just seesaw it back and forth. These gaps also make it really handy to take a piece of square tube and get inside as well. And because I cut the rear access door open, I can also get in from that. Easy.